Welcome back to our channel, car enthusiasts. If you're planning to buy a car in 2024, you're in the right place. Today we're going to reveal the top 5 cars to buy in 2024, along with their key specifications. Let's dive into what makes each model stand out in the upcoming year. From sedans to sports cars, we've got a lineup that promises something for everyone. So buckle up, and let's get started on finding your perfect ride for 2024. First up on our list is the 2024 Honda Civic. Known for its reliability and efficiency, the new Civic model brings a fresh look with enhanced safety features. It's equipped with the latest Honda Sensing Suite, which includes adaptive cruise control and a collision mitigation braking system. Under the hood, you'll find a responsive 1.5-liter turbocharged engine that provides both excellent fuel economy and sufficient power for your daily commute. Inside, the Civic boasts a redesigned interior that emphasizes comfort and connectivity. A larger infotainment screen and improved sound insulation make it a top contender for those who value a serene driving experience. Whether you're a first-time car buyer or looking for a dependable upgrade, the 2024 Honda Civic should definitely be on your radar. As for pricing, the Civic remains competitively positioned, making it a great value proposition without compromising on quality and features. It's truly a car that can suit a wide range of needs, from city driving to longer commutes. Next, let's talk about the 2024 Audi A4. This model continues to set standards in the luxury sedan market with its elegant design and superior performance. The A4 comes with a powerful 2.0-liter TFSI engine and optional Quattro all-wheel drive, offering a smooth and dynamic driving experience. Audi has also raised the bar with a cutting-edge interior that features a minimalist design packed with advanced technology. The MMI touch display offers intuitive control over navigation, entertainment, and vehicle settings, making it a tech lover's dream. Additionally, the A4 includes enhanced driver assistance technologies, such as lane departure warning and traffic jam assist, ensuring a safe and comfortable ride. On the exterior, the A4 sports a more aggressive stance with sharper lines and a striking front grille. It's not just a car, it's a statement. If you're looking for a blend of luxury and performance, the Audi A4 should be high on your list. Coming in at number 3 is the 2024 Honda Accord. This family sedan is more than just a car, it's a sanctuary on wheels. The new Accord model offers a spacious interior with premium materials and an array of high-tech features for comfort and convenience. Under the hood, the Accord is powered by a choice of engines, including an efficient hybrid option that delivers both power and eco-friendliness. The handling is refined, providing a balanced ride that's both agile and reassuring. Safety is a top priority in the new Accord, featuring an upgraded suite of driver assist technologies that help keep you and your loved ones secure. From adaptive cruise control to a comprehensive airbag system, the Accord is designed to protect. With its combination of style, comfort, and safety, the 2024 Honda Accord continues to be a top choice for families looking for a reliable and stylish sedan. At number 2, we have the iconic 2024 Chevrolet Corvette. This American sports car is all about high performance and sleek design. The new Corvette features a mid-engine layout that not only enhances its aesthetics but also improves its balance and handling. Powering the Corvette is a robust V8 engine that delivers thrilling acceleration and a top speed that competes with much more expensive supercars. The interior matches the exterior's boldness, with a cockpit-like setup that puts the driver at the center of the action. The Corvette also comes with advanced features like a digital instrument cluster and a head-up display, which provide essential information at a glance. Whether you're cruising on the highway or hitting the racetrack, the Corvette offers an exhilarating driving experience. If you're in the market for a sports car that stands out from the crowd, the 2024 Chevrolet Corvette is a must-see. Topping our list at number 1 is the 2024 Lucid Air. This electric luxury sedan is setting new standards in the EV market with its groundbreaking technology and performance. The Lucid Air offers an impressive range of up to 500 miles on a single charge, thanks to its advanced battery technology. The powertrain is equally remarkable. with over 1,000 horsepower that allows the Lucid Air to accelerate from 0 to 60 mph in under 2.5 seconds. Inside, the cabin is a masterpiece of luxury and innovation, featuring a 34-inch curved glass cockpit display that controls almost all aspects of the vehicle. The Lucid Air also emphasizes sustainability with its environmentally friendly materials and manufacturing processes. It's not just a car, it's a commitment to the future of sustainable luxury travel. For those who seek the pinnacle of electric vehicle technology and luxury, the 2024 Lucid Air is the ultimate choice. Which one is your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more car reviews and recommendations. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.